You might think your washing machine is clean because the drum looks shiny. But trust me, what's hiding behind that drum would shock you. This little tablet uses what we call effervescent technology. Think of it as a deep cleaning balm for your machine. Once it hits the water, it dissolves into a powerful solution that penetrates every single hole, pipe, and corner. It attacks stubborn limescale and kills the bacteria causing that bad smell. If you want to protect your expensive machine and keep your clothes smelling actually fresh, don't hesitate. This is the easiest maintenance you can do. Highly recommended. Go for it.